we'll take a small break and we'll start with the basics of hardware components. Okay. Your part is service desk. Okay. SD batch. Service desk. So point of service desk. What is for service desk? It is, organization, any organization. For example, Savantis is an organization, HCL is an organization, Cognizant is an organization, Wipro is an organization, Infosys is an organization, Microsoft is an organization, right? So an organization, lot of people are working in the organization, and also the organization has a lot of client organization is also there. For example, Savantis is having a clients. Okay, so SAP related clients requirement is there. So some other companies required some LAMP kind of servers like a data centers management or a cloud deployments. So the clients also there. Okay, if anybody got an issue like a internal employee or maybe a external organization has a problem. Okay, once they got a problem, so they don't know how to reach the technical direct technical guy. So what they will do, they try to approach the service desk. Service desk is simply a single point of contact. What it is? Single point of contact. So any issues occurs, they will ask. For example, I'm working currently through internet. I'm working, right? So that's no problem. So sometimes a developer is there, work from home. You need a VPN access. You want to ask, request. I want a VPN access. To whom you have to ask? You don't know who is the administrator, who is the system administrator, network administrator. He don't know anyone. To whom you will ask? You ask a service desk. I want a VPN access to my computer. Okay, I want a VPN access to my computer. For example, I have a mail account. This is my mail or company mail ID. So I have to send a mail and I will get a receiving a mail. There is a Outlook. So this is what I am using is a Outlook. So I have to receive a mail to my Outlook. I have to send a mail through my Outlook only. Now Outlook is not working. I have to ask someone to solve the problem. Right? To whom I have to ask? I don't know. I have to ask service desk. So service desk people all understand what is the problem. Application problem, email address problem, or a password problem. Okay, a network problem. So service desk people analyze what is exactly the issues occur, where it is occur, and forward that information to appropriate team. So this is what I'm trying to say is about a service desk. Okay, I have to log in, right? So morning. So when I started this, our teams. So what happened? I'm unable to log in. It's like a login is not showing my actual login part. Okay, so it is showing some error. So what I have to do, I tried 2-3 times. Finally, I restart my computer, and it is working now. So that's why I can able to take the class, right? So in general, if I am in an office, immediately I will ask service desk people why this Microsoft team is directly not logging to my computer. Okay, so like that. So if I got an issue, is a problem or maybe a request or maybe a change. For example, Sizer got a laptop. Okay, so with a 4 GB RAM. 4 GB is literally useless for our practicals. Meaning is personally, like when we are trainers, so I have to show you how Windows servers are there, or Linux servers like that. for sure do practicals and all, we need a more than 4 GB, means minimum 8 GB RAM is required. So Sai sir asked them, upgrade my laptop, so add a 8 GB extra, so then it become a 12 GB. So then it become a 12 GB. So that is like a change request, a change request. I log into my computer, okay, or email ID. I forget my password. I don't know whom do I have to ask. Okay, so then I ask service desk people. They will change my IP address or else change my password. Okay, change my password. Okay, I went to our office, like a Hyderabad office. I went there. I need to take a printout, but I don't have a printer access. So I have to ask a service desk guy. So give me a printer access. How to take the print? So what they said, sir, we can't give you a printer access because you are not in our domain. So send a document to our email. So we'll take a print and give it to you. Okay. So ultimately the work should be done. I got a printout. Either I get a direct access or not access. Okay. Pen drives are not allowed anyway. So you have to through send email. Okay. Usually when I go to our Hyderabad office, because that is where I'm not staying. I stay in either home or in Pune office only. Hyderabad office is a IT organization. Direct IT work will be happens there. IT related loads like servers are there, firewalls are there, SAP development is there, Oracle development is there. CRM, customer relationship management related work is going on. Okay, not only a trainings and other things also goes in the Hyderabad office. Okay, so when I went there, so my laptop is my personal laptop, not office laptop. When I connected to their internet, so their Wi-Fi, when I connected, password is correct, but problem is I got a block by the Wi-Fi router. I don't get any IP address from the Wi-Fi router. So the guy went to the service desk people, asked like why I'm not getting connected. They do a little drama at that time, so it's okay if you don't know, just leave it. Even I told them that they don't mind about it. I have a student in there. He's my one of very old student in different organization. Okay, 5-6 years back. Student. He's luckily he's also working. I went there, ask him directly. Either you, if you can able to fix it, fix it. Otherwise, I will tell your sir to you people are not doing anything. So definitely he will do. He log into router and he unblock my MAC address, and then only I will get a IP address to my laptop. Okay. So this is what I'm trying to say is, okay. So service desk is a single point of contact between users slash customers users, customers, you can say clients, to employees. Meaning is a technical team. Oh, actually, I said we have to start with the basics of hardware and all. But why I'm telling about a basic of a service desk. So our profile is service desk. So what is the service desk guy must know? Okay, what is the service desk guy must know to work in the service desk position? Okay, so that's why I told these things. Importance of service desk in any organization is very, 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 very important. And the terminologies we use at a service desk is also very important. Maybe you work for a service desk for a few days. Later you got a chance of a developer position. Yeah, you are a fresher and you can jump from here to there to here. Okay. So based on your choice, right? So once you are in an IT company, guys, I am telling now, okay, a lot of people are having a worry that, sir, service desk is a very low level job and salaries are very less. And if I go to as a developer, there is a big, huge salaries, very high range is there. I will wait for 2 years, 3 years. I will put a fake certificate and all. So why you are putting all this kind of mind? I'm telling guys, when you got a chance to go inside IT, go. That's it. So don't worry. Like as better as a good position. I'm telling. Okay, I'm telling. As good as better position. So do not think like after 4 years, okay, I will go IT company. I will try IT company. Meanwhile, I will do some other work. I will put some fake certificate. So don't do like this because it's a waste of your time, waste of your energy. The fake certificates once, anytime after 15 years, 20 years of experience, if they found you are a fake certificate, you put a fake. There's a big problem for you also. Okay. Once you get the chance into IT company, go work for 5 years. If you don't want to go next, you can leave, no problem. You have some 5 years of experience. Maybe you can take a leave for 2 years, then we can rejoin an IT company again. That's the power. Okay. So don't waste as you are freshers. So don't waste like I don't want to go again. When you got a chance, go for that one. Okay. So that's the important point. It is very important job role in an organization. Okay. Also, and different type of customers, clients, and all. I will told the entire story of it. But what knowledge we should have in a as a service desk candidate? We need a basic knowledge on everything. Basic knowledge on everything. On what it is. Basic knowledge on your PC hardware, computer hardware, what is RAM, what is processor, what is hard disk, what is operating system, okay, what is a operating system, what is application, what is installation, what is uninstallation. These are all. So we require basics of hardware. You can put more like a basics of or a basic, all are same. Next is troubleshooting, hardware troubleshooting. Troubleshooting on everything, basic troubleshooting knowledge must be known. Okay. Next, everything is a basic level. So basic hardware and operating system. Operating system and hardware is not a separated one. Okay. Basics of networking. What is network? Networking components, networking topologies, OSA layers, OSA layers. How to do troubleshooting? For everything, troubleshooting is very important. For everything, network troubleshooting, hardware troubleshooting. Okay. So troubleshooting is very important. Okay. So basics of networking. Networking components, IP addresses, OSA layers, networking devices, networking topologies. All these things are very important. Next, servers. What are the servers and their services? Understanding what is the server meaning is what is the services. In a servers, in Windows servers, important topic is what is Active Directory, what is DHCP, what is DNS, what is group policy, and another things like what is VPN, what is proxy. These are direct questions only. What is VPN, what is proxy, how it is works, what is the use of that one, what is firewall, What is the use of firewall? General things. I no need to teach anything. Okay, so you can directly. Okay. Basics of storage. What is basic storage at all? And very important topic is ITIL. ITIL. IT infrastructure library. So what is ITIL? What is the 5 life cycles in ITIL? And just before I told what is it? What is the service desk? What is event? What is alert? What is incident? What is problem? What is service request? What is change? These are all very important. Okay, so your job role is basically ITIL role. IT means information technology, infrastructure, library. So what is a ITIL? That is a question is there. So what is ITIL? I'm specifically telling now only. So why? Because of guys, easy to hear, easy to read, and very easy to forget. How to not to forget is repeatedly reading, studying, discussion. Okay. So if you do keep repeatedly, you don't forget. How I am not forgetting certain things? Because of I learn a lot of things. Okay, so this is very small syllabus, but in a cognition we have at least 8 to 10 subjects are there. So I take classes from last 4 years. I keep telling, and last 10 years I'm to keep telling certain things. Few are learn recently last 3 years back. Some are 4 years back. Okay, like a Python is very recently 3 years back only. Okay, DevOps 3 years back only. So how I'm not forgetting certain things, how I forget certain things is simply is keep repetition, repeatedly taking classes, repeatedly studying, repeatedly doing. So I can remember. Okay, so that's why I'm telling now only. So 5 life cycles are there. Very important, like a service strategy, service design, service transition, service operations, and continual service improvement. These are the 5 life cycles. And there is a certain terminologies are there compulsory should go. Event, alert, incident, problem, change, service request. These terminologies are very important. Okay. So other than that one, there is so much of story about ITIL is there, but very simply compulsory, keep repeated, because what is an ITIL? What are the 5 life cycles? Service strategy, service design, service transition, service operations, and continuous service improvement. Okay. Okay. What is event definition? Alert definitions, incidents, problems, change, service request, and examples for everything. Okay. With examples are important always. If you tell an example way, okay, if you tell in the example way, meaning is you understand. Okay, so for example, the universally only people knows our physics definition is Newton's third law. Every reaction is there is a equal and opposite reaction. So if some situation happen, something is situation happen, someone done something to you, like someone scold you, and he got some problem, and then you will tell Newton's third law, right? So like that. So you are improvising the situation with an example. That definition you are improvising on it, right? Simple. Similarly, in a lively environment, like you are having a bike or a car or maybe cooking or maybe hotels or maybe constructions or maybe traveling, these terminologies we can able to put in that one also. Computer not working, computer working, application install, application not installed, application not working. Just before I told one example, my teams are is unable to log in. Okay, it's open but it is not able to log into my email ID. Okay, so that is the problem occur, incident is occur. Okay, I done. Okay, so that is called a workaround. I didn't find any permanent solution, but I make it work currently. So that is called a workaround. Incident is occur, I done a workaround. Okay, like that. So this is a very important in your total syllabus. Okay. So again, guys, we must know what is the basics of hardware, operating system, and networking, and their troubleshooting. Different type of servers and what is their services. What are the Windows in Windows servers, specifically what is Active Directory, what is use of Active Directory, what are the work related things will comes in Active Directory, what is DHCP, what is DNS, and if possible, know what is a work group. And small things like what is VPN, what is proxy, what is file system, what is FAT, what is NTFS, file system, what is type of storages we have, like a dash, NAS, SAN. Okay. Is a RAID, what is a RAID, what is meaning of hard disk, what is SATA, what is SATA hard disk, what is SSD. Of course, this part we have to cover in a hardware only. Okay, we'll see that one. Next, possible Outlook configuration. So these are the basic knowledge you must understand to work with in the service desk position. And very important for the service desk is it is interact to the users, customers, clients, to working people, technical people are there. So you must understand what client is given a complaint. You should understand it, and you have to inform to your technical team, or maybe you have to solve it because you have a technical knowledge. A primary support you have to give, and later you should give to some escalate the thing to higher position. Like you are a level 0 service desk, a level 0 candidate. Okay, so you are a service desk level 0 candidate. So it's the initial support only. Only thing is what is your column. Then we'll give you some information, and then we'll try to escalate the position. If it is not solved, then we'll give escalate to L1 or L2 directly. Understand it is a L1 issue or L2 issue, and escalate the issue to L1 or a L2 level only. Okay, so you are a L1 candidate, so you have a technical knowledge. You will fix the issues. L2 compulsory you have to fix it. L3 is a designing side only. Okay, so very higher side. It's a L3. L4 is also there. Okay, level 0 kind of stuff. Okay, level 1. Mostly your levels are L0, L1 level only. Okay, level 2 after some experience and technical knowledge based and based on your experience, technical knowledge, based on that you'll go with the L2 and L3. L3 again experience. L3 experience. L2 technical knowledge must be like a troubleshooting knowledge is very high. So L0, L1 is like a supporting, basic supporting issues, basic issues, solving kind of stuff. Okay. Also understand monitoring. Monitoring is also part of this ITIL only. If possible, I will try to show some monitoring related ticketing. Also part of ITIL part. Okay. Monitoring and ticketing. Okay. So monitoring tools, ticketing tools, assetting tools like this. All right. Here, main course focus on this kind of form. Okay, guys, understand what I try to explain? Any doubts? No problem. You can talk. No problem. Any other doubts? Is anybody joined? Yeah, tell me. Soumya Lakshmi. Prasad is joined. Any Prasad? Bhumika and the Saujanya. Showing 21, meaning is 20 people are there here. I got 18 people. Who is this? Yeah, Prasad. Okay. This is your name, right? Prasad.
Yes, sir.
So Bhumika, Saujanya, and Soumya Lakshmi. And I don't know. Who is this? ETE 7 something. Your BTech number is there.
So this is Sarshita.
Your name is here?
Harshita.
Harshita.
Today I joined.
Just now. Your name is not
Harshita.
in this list or not? Look at the name. Your name is not here, right?
No, sir.
Okay. In your chat box. Okay. This is your chat box. Put your name and pass out year and your qualification and phone number.
Okay, sir.